Prevention and control of Rift Valley fever.
What are the signs of Rift Valley fever in sick and dead animals? Sudden onset of extensive abortions and stillbirths, smelly and blood-stained diarrhea, mass death of young animals, especially lambs that are less than a month old, excessive salivation and watery discharge from the eyes in mature animals, nasal discharge often stained with blood in small ruminants, death of mature animals, mainly sheep, goat, and probably cattle, may occur. Post-mortem signs: large distorted liver, which may be yellowish in color, blood spots in linings of organs, for example, digestive tract, fluid with air bubbles in the lungs, enlarged lymph nodes, congestion in the lungs.
What are the signs of the disease in people?
Fever, weakness, stomach pain, diarrhea, joint pains, dizziness, and weight loss. People that have more severe illness show the following signs: headaches, coma or seizures, blurred vision, decreased vision, and sometimes loss of vision.
What actions can be taken to prevent the disease?
Vaccination of livestock, livestock market closure, mosquito control through insecticide sprays and use of mosquito nets, wearing protective attire while handling animal tissues, body fluids, aborted fetus from potentially infected animals, eat well-cooked meat and drink boiled milk, banning trade of livestock products such as meat and raw milk in affected areas, community training on the impact and prevention of the disease. In case of any of the above signs and symptoms, please report to your local veterinarian, medical practitioner, or Rift Valley Fever Disease Multi-Sectoral Coordination Unit across East Africa. This video was developed by the International Livestock Research Institute with support from USAID's Office of U.S. Foreign Disaster Assistance.